this is the box that they have sent me. And by the way guys, if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. My name is Christina Bautista and I do videos such as like this. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the box that they gave me, like I showed it to you earlier. And I am just gonna jump right off to unboxing. I already removed the tape. And this is what it looks like on the inside. It has these card or kind of like a welcome note. So these products I am going to be trying on a little later, but let me just go ahead and give you a brief review of what's inside the box. So this, they have sent me 2 scrunchies. It has the red color and champagne. They sent me a scarf or bandana, I guess I should say, you can call that way, or a scarf or bandana. I will be trying them on later. And this is a nightgown. It's a silk nightgown. It's a very nice, as you can see, it still has creases over here because from the package, but this is what it looks like. So what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be trying them on so you guys can see it, what it looks like, and I will be right back. So SilkSilky products, by the way, are made by pure mulberry silk. So if you're not quite sure what that means, it is the highest quality silk that you can purchase. It is made from silkworms that are raised in captivity under exacting conditions. It is also the most expensive type of silk. So that's what it means of the mulberry silk, and that's what their products are made of. And also they offer bedding. If you browse around on their website, they also have the bedding. So if you want to have the most luxurious, most durable and finest silk bedding, that's what they have, and it's made by pure mulberry silk. And their products, by the way, are suitable for gifts for any occasions like birthdays, Valentine's, Christmas, and they offer a customized writing. If you wanted to add some messaging to your order, then you have an option to do that. So if you wanted to learn more about their website, I'm going to be putting down the link in the description box below, and I'm also going to have a discount code so you can go ahead and enjoy additional discount for your purchase. Okay, so this is the nightgown. I kind of a little bit iron it, not flat iron, but it's just steam. I kind of did that because as you saw earlier, it has a lot of crease, so I kind of steam it, not flat iron it. I had to run some steam just to remove all those creases. As you can see it right over here, I still got the tags on, and it has a adjustable straps at the back. And yeah, this is so amazing. This is a very nice nightgown, and this is, by the way, in the extra small. It's so comfortable, guys. So the material is so soft and smooth. It's so comfortable. You can actually dress this up and down, maybe pair stiletto heels and add some jacket. But you know what, let me just go ahead and do that. So this is the jacket that I would like to try on. Let me just go ahead and try this on and see what it looks like, because since I was thinking of maybe you can just dress this up a little bit. This is what it looks like with the oversized jacket, and you can just pair this with heels. And yeah, this is what it looks like if I put on some jacket just to dress it up. And then I also have the scarf that they sent me. Since I am wearing this, might as well just go ahead and put on the scarf. So let me just go ahead and get that. So this is the scarf right here. Look at the design. It's a floral design. I like the color too. It kind of matches with my sweater. Let me just go ahead and try this on. I really don't know how to apply the scarf on, but let me just go and play it around. This is nice. I know it kind of looks funny, I guess, but this is what it looks like with the scarf. This scarf, you can also use it as a bandana. That is quite interesting too, because there are tons of ways to use this scarf. So you can actually put it on as a bandana. Let me go ahead and try it on. And this is cool if you are probably gonna be going to the beach. Let me go ahead and secure it. So this is the scarf. You can use it as a bandana. It's a very nice and comfortable. So other than the scarf, the nightgown, I have these two scrunchies. It's a silk scrunchie for your hair, which is very nice. So there are tons of benefits of using silk scrunchies as well. So for those asking why silk scrunchies are good for your hair, using Mulberry silk scrunchies and silk hair ties help prevent hair damage due to the natural properties of Mulberry silk fabric. So it helps prevent hair damage using silk scrunchies, and it keeps your hair hydrated as well. It is naturally hydrating, as on average Mulberry silk tends to absorb 30% less moisture than traditional cotton fabric. So this means that using Mulberry silk scrunchies will help to keep your hair hydrated and healthy over time. So this is the scrunchies. I know it's a different color, but I just wanted for you guys to see it. And of course, like I said earlier, it has a lot of benefits of wearing a silk scrunchie. I'm definitely going to be wearing this every day.